Hello again. So in this video we're going to be looking at compound interest. So if you haven't checked out my previous videos on finding a decimal multiplier, you might want to go back and look at that now before you continue here. So this is a typical GCSE style question. Amy invests £3,500 and is given a rate of 3% compound interest. She invests her money for 5 years. How much does she have at the end of the 5-year term? So we need to find the decimal multiplier. So like I said, go back to the previous video if you didn't see that. So we know everything starts with 100%. She's getting compound interest of 3%. So if you add these together, it's a total of 103%. But we need this as a decimal multiplier. So you divide by 100 to get a decimal multiplier of 1.03. And this is the important digit that we need. So she invests 3,500. We're going to multiply that by the decimal multiplier. She invests it for 5 years, so that's going to be for a power of 5. So you simply type that into your calculator. It will tell you how much she will have at the end of the 5-year term. So in case you're not familiar with using the power buttons, I'm just going to show you it on the calculator. 3,500 multiplied by 1.03, and I'm just going to lift this up so you can see it. I want a power 5, so I'm looking to press this button here, the little X with the little square on it, if you've got this type of calculator, and in there I'm going to put the 5. So that's what it looks like on your calculator. Press equals, and there's your answer. 4057 point, it's going to be 46, because we're working with pounds and pence, so make it look like pounds and pence. On the calculator, this is what it looked like, but I round it to pounds and pence, so I rounded it to 46p there. So that's how you do it. So you found that decimal multiplier, that's the important number to find, multiplied by what she invested, and the years is the power. Let's do one more of these. So this one says Bob has £75,000 in his account. He decides to move this to a compound interest account, giving him 2.5% compound interest. How much will he have in his account after 4 years? So the important thing is to find the decimal multiplier. As you know, everything starts with 100%. He's getting interest of 2.5%. So that would be 102.5%. But we want this as a decimal multiplier, so you divide it by 100 to get a decimal multiplier of 1.025. Now this is the important number that you need. You're going to multiply by what he invested, and the power is the number of years, so it's after 4 years. So that power 4 is the years. So again, just type that into your calculator. 75000 multiplied by 1.025 to the power of 4. Just going to show you what it looks like on the calculator. Press equals, and again we're working in pounds and pence, so make it sensible. 785.97. So after 4 years, this is what he would have in his account. So there's just 2 simple questions on compound interest. So like I said, please go back and look at finding that decimal multiplier video if you're not sure how we got that, and I'll see you in my next video.